How to clear Roblox cache files on Android. This tutorial shows you how to free up space and fix issues by clearing the cache on your device. First, go to your home screen or app drawer and find the Roblox app. After that, long press on the Roblox icon until a menu appears and tap on App Info to open its settings. From there, you'll land on the App Info page where you can see details like storage usage, permissions, and more. Right here, tap on Storage to see how much space Roblox is currently taking up on your device. At this point, you'll see two options, Cache and Data, and you can see exactly how much space each one is using. Moving on, tap on Clear Cache to remove all the temporary files that Roblox has been storing in the background. Following this, these cached files build up over time and can cause the app to slow down, lag, or run into errors. Clearing them out gives the app a fresh start without affecting your account or progress. Once done, go back and reopen Roblox to see if it runs smoother. After this, if you're still experiencing issues, go back to App Info, tap on Storage again, and this time tap Clear Data. Keep in mind this will reset the app completely, so you'll need to sign back in. Finally, once you're back in the app, Roblox will rebuild its cache from scratch, which should resolve most performance issues you were facing. And that's it. If this guide helped you clear the Roblox cache on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.